So we're given a question where it says a map is pictured below, and we have to complete the table with the values of x and y. So you have to find x and y. Okay, so here's x, and here's y. Now, we are given, this is very important, these two lines are parallel, right? Those arrows mean that these two lines are parallel. When you have two parallel lines with a transversal that goes through them, you can look for all the patterns that you've learned. You can look for a Z pattern. You can look for a C pattern. You can look for an F pattern. You can look for opposite angles. What do you know about opposite angles? They're equal. In an F pattern, we know that the corresponding angles are equal. In a Z pattern, we know that the corresponding angles are equal. In a C pattern, what do we know about a C pattern? What are the two angles? The angles add up to 180. Okay, there you can draw a Z, you can draw an F, and you can draw a C. Those are your clues right now. Oh, sorry, one more thing I forgot. We know that two angles on a straight line will always equal 180. So look for any of those things and draw them in. I'll give you a clue. Here's x, here's 76 degrees. Those two angles are on a straight line. This is very simple. It's very easy to find x. How would we find x? Come show me. The reason why I'm doing this for you right now is because there's two other angles, Raphael. There's two other angles, open response questions that I've assigned for homework. This should help you answer those ones. Which one is 76?
Oh, like
Point to it. If this is
one.
76, which one's 76?
The top, the Y.
No, this.
Wait, that one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's true. Good. You can use F to find that. Perfect.